The Concepts of Print checklist is a form you follow when assessing a child's concepts of print. Traditionally, students are assessed using the story Sand by Marie Clay, who is our researcher who developed the Concepts of Print checklist. Many other books can be used for the Concepts of Print test, though. The video on our slide that corresponds with this checklist will show you a child being assessed using Sand. The Concepts of Print checklist is a series of 10 questions. Usually it is administered 4 times during a school year at the traditional marking periods. Although once a child has met all of the 10 criteria on the checklist, they no longer need to be assessed. Teachers will follow the form chronologically, and to find the skill, we look at the numbered area, and I'll highlight those. So we want boys and girls to know where is the front and the back of the book. We want them to know that words show us story. We want them to know the directional rules. We want them to know one-to-one tracking. We want them to know first and last, top and bottom pictures, punctuation, capital and lowercase letters, concepts of letters, and concepts of words. And those are the 10 areas that are our concepts of print. When a child knows those, we know they're ready to be readers. To assess a child using this book, you use the words in quotation marks throughout the book. So, the first thing you would ask them is, show me the front of the book, show me the back of the book. You'll check off if they can do that. Then you'll ask them, show me where I'll start reading. Next, you'll ask them, I want to point to the word as I read. Show me how my finger should move on the page as I read. Where do I go after that? This tells us that boys and girls know how to read left to right and top to bottom. Number 4 is first modeled by the teacher. So you will read some words and point to the words as you read them. Then you'll say to the student, now you point to the words as I read them. Number 5, ask the child to show me the first part of the story and the last part of the story. Then we ask them, show me the top of the picture, show me the bottom of the picture. This shows us they know how to use the words first and last, top and bottom when we're teaching them. Punctuation is where we ask them to identify what punctuation is for and name it. So we'd point to periods or question marks or exclamation marks and ask, what is this for? Do you know what it is called? To assess capital and lowercase letters, we will use the text in the book and say, show me a capital letter, show me a lowercase letter. To assess letter concepts, we would ask the boys and girls to show me just one letter. Do you know the name of the letter? Show me another letter. What sound does that letter make? And last, to show the difference between letters and words, we would ask the boys and girls, show me just one word. Now show me 2 words. By following this specific guideline, we can assess the 10 concepts of print to know when our readers are ready.